Hello everyone. Uh, we'll play with the PLC tags today. So I'm going to add PLC tag, a new tag table where I can put a digital inputs like variable 1. This is my boolean type of digital input. Generally the address will be as 0.0. You can change it to anything as you might have aware of it. So what I will do is I will add 5 variables with this. So now this is another type of adding the tag tables, but generally when you see the tag tables or when you receive the tags from the client or some consultant or wherever you receive it, generally it will be in Excel sheet. So what we are going to do is we're going to export this Excel sheet somewhere like here at my desktop. I will add this digital input. You can name it anything, depends on your system and everything. So these are the sections. If you want tags, if you want contacts, if you want constants, if you want only use items, whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. It's a simple selection. Now I press OK. It says export successfully. We'll go to a desktop. Here you will find it. Okay, so now here you can see the tag table 1. It is this one, this tag table, and these are the name of variable. So now Excel sheet comes with so many features. You can do edit, you can do search, you can sort it out, you can do anything. So now what these features do is you add the variables, you can keep this tag table same. Otherwise you will have if you drag it, you can simply drag it, it will be a tag table 2 3 and it will drop into some other tables. It's not good idea. So for boolean it will be same. For addresses, these are the access and selections. Okay, now we're gonna save it to the same location. It's desktop, place it. Okay, I'm gonna close this. So whatever we need to do, we have already done with our Excel sheet. Now we're gonna import this. Input. Okay, here you go. You will have 8 variables up to 0.7